ಇನ್ನು ಮಾಜಿ ಸಚಿವ ತನ್ವೀರ್ ಸೇಠ್ಗೆ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಜಾರಿಯಾಗುವ ಸಾಧ್ಯತೆ ಇದೆ. ಮೈಸೂರು ಮೇಯರ್ ಪಟ್ಟ ಜೆಡಿಎಸ್ಗೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟುಕೊಟ್ಟ ವಿವಾದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂತೆ ಸೇಠ್ಗೆ ಶೋಕಾಸ್ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಜಾರಿಯಾಗುವ ಸಾಧ್ಯತೆ ಕಂಡು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಎಐಸಿಸಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ನಿರ್ಧಾರಕ್ಕೆ ಬರುವ ಸೂಚನೆ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಮೇಯರ್ ಚುನಾವಣೆ ವೇಳೆ ತನ್ವೀರ್ ಸೇಠ್ ನಡೆಯನ್ನ ಪ್ರಶ್ನಿಸಿ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಹೊರಡಿಸುವ ಸಾಧ್ಯತೆ ಇದೆ. ಮಧು ಎಚ್ ಕೆ ಗೌಡ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿಯನ್ನು ನೀಡಲಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಎಐಸಿಸಿ ಕಾರ್ಯದರ್ಶಿ ಅವರು ಇವರ ನಿರ್ದೇಶನದಂತೆ ಎಐಸಿಸಿ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಜಾರಿಗೊಳಿಸುವ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಾಧ್ಯತೆ ಕಂಡು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
The mandate is very clear that every leader should work in tandem and together. Any indiscipline is not tolerated. Whoever they are, how big they have to follow the party instructions, and the whip has to be obeyed. And any indiscipline, we made it very clear that party high command will not tolerate it.
So do you agree they have committed mistake or they have done any indiscipline in the party? Any other leaders?
No, that is internal matter. We are discussing with all the senior leaders. I met Honorable CLP leader Siddaramaiah ji. I met PCC President DK Shivakumar ji. We are going to meet the corporators and the MLA from Mysore and the DCC President, and we'll ascertain the situation, what happened, what went wrong. But one thing we made clear, to fight this BJP and communal forces. As I said, the disciplinary committee chairman, Mr. Rahman Khan, has been asked to look into any indisciplinary thing, and Mr. Surjewala ji, General Secretary in charge of Karnataka, has been instructed to the PCC and the disciplinary committee. Any gross violation of indiscipline, any slogan shouting against the CLP leader or any senior leader of the party will not be tolerated. How big they are, whether it in Mysore or Raichur, that we came to our notice and will not be tolerated. And if Tanvir Seth or any other leader raising slogans against own party leaders will not be tolerated. Such leader will be dealt with and a showcase notice will be issued.
Not only slogan, sir, they have demonstrated a protest against CLP leader in Raichur, at Raichur yesterday. So how party is taking this?
I came to know about it, and